So guys, before we do anything, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, if you see any Office application running, you just want to close it. So you want to scroll down. If you see like Excel, Word, anything like that, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, now you want to go to this PC. And then once you're on this, you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to double click on it. And then you want to click on Program Files. And then you want to scroll down till you find Microsoft Office. If you do not see Microsoft Office here, then you want to go back. Then you want to check Program Files x86. But in my case, I have it in Program Files. So I'm going to go to Program Files. I'm going to scroll down and then go to Microsoft Office. And I'm using Office 16, so I'm going to click on this. And now I'm on this screen. So you want to make sure that you're on this screen where you see all of these files right here. And then once you're on this screen with all of these files, you just want to right click and then click on Show More Options. And then you want to click on Open in Terminal. And now Terminal is going to come up. It should be saying for you C, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Office 16, like it says up here. It should be showing it right here for you. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the first command, which will be down below in the description. This one right here, I'm just going to highlight it and then do Control C on my keyboard. Now I'm going to go to PowerShell and then do Control V on my keyboard and then click on Enter. Wait for this to load. I'm just going to maximize this. And now you want to copy and paste the second command, but do not click on Enter yet. So you just want to highlight over this, do Control C. We're going to paste it right here, but don't click on Enter yet. Now we're going to put a space. And now right here where it says SKUID, you just want to copy this. So you're going to highlight it. And then do Control C on your keyboard. Now we're just going to put a space right here and then do Control V, which will then paste it. Now you want to click on Enter. In my case, I do not have this problem, so I'm not going to click on Enter. But in your case, you want to click on Enter. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to come back to this folder, and then you want to find this ospprearm.exe. You want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now once you click on Yes, this should now fix your problem.